If Google Chrome suddenly stopped loading websites and you're seeing the "this site can't be reached" error, don't waste time reinstalling Chrome. Try these 3 proven fixes. First, they could have you back online in just a couple of minutes. Fix number 1. Disable IPv6. For that, go to Windows Search, type Control Panel, and launch it. From there, go to Network and Internet, then click Network and Sharing Center. Now, click on your currently connected Wi-Fi network to open its settings. Now, click Properties. In the Wi-Fi Properties window, scroll down until you find Internet Protocol version 6, TCP, IPv6. Uncheck the box next to IPv6, then click OK to save your changes. Once that's done, open Google Chrome and check if the website is loading. If you're still getting the "this site can't be reached" error, don't worry. Let's move on to the second fix. Fix number 2. Change your DNS settings. Go back to your Wi-Fi Properties window. This time, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4, then click Properties. Now, select Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server field, enter 8.8.8. Then, in the alternate DNS server field, enter 8.8.4. Next, check the box that says Validate Settings upon exit, then click OK to save your changes. Once that's done, open Google Chrome and check if the website is loading. If you're still seeing the "this site can't be reached" error, don't worry. Let's move on to the third and final fix. Fix number 3. Reset your network. For the final fix, open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Then, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: ipconfig/flush DNS. Then press Enter to flush the DNS cache. Next, type the following command: ipconfig release. Then, press Enter to release your current IP address. Now type the third command, ipconfig renew. Then press Enter to renew your IP address. Next, type the fourth command, netsh winsock reset. Then press Enter to reset the Windows winsock catalog. Finally, type the last command, netsh int IP reset. Then press Enter to reset the TCP IP stack. Once all the commands have been executed successfully, restart your PC or laptop. That's it. These 3 methods should fix the "this site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.